Hi, this is Jiten. Today we are going to discuss about the ShadowRoot element. How we can access the ShadowRoot element to Selenium. So now I'm going to open the URL. So I'm going to inspect that logo. So just right click, inspect. So inspect that logo. So now you can see the ShadowRoot is defined. So inside the ShadowRoot, DOM elements are present. We will try to access these DOM element that is defined inside the ShadowRoot. We cannot directly access it. So if we try to access, it will give me the zero result. So I just right click it and copy the X path and paste it. You can see the zero results are there. So no elements are found. So to access this shadow root element, first we need to find the element of the parent node, the shadow root element. So this is the shadow root and the parent is that one. So I'm just copying the CSS selector and using a selector. So just set it. There is one element is defined. So I just copy that one. I'll open the clips. So we have already defined one shadow root handling class. So inside this class, we have defined one API driver method. So in this method, we have initialized the Chrome driver. And we have also defined one second method. Inside this, we are maximize the window and we are open the URL. So now web element means an element and dot find the element dot it's a selector. I just paste that copy selected column. Now I have to use the search context. This is the interface. Search context. So now post dot get. So this is the method get shadow root. So using this method, we can access the shadow root element. Now I'm writing web element to shadow root find element. So using this element, we just find element by dot css selector. So now open the, so I want to access this element inside this SPJ. So this one, this element I'm going to access. You just right click, okay, selector. Now what I will do is system dot out dot println. So I'm fetching the get attribute value, value dot attribute. So this the attribute I'm going to fetch is click path. So this value we need to fetch it. So I'm using this one attribute name click path. Now just run it, that one. So with right click, run the test and this test. So we'll open the browser. So test case has been passed. So you can see thus we get a true value and this value we have fetched. So that is the attribute name and we have fetched that value document. So that's